Okay, so thanks for being here, guys. First off, you need to prepare the cables. So I had a lying around. I had a 1/4 inch TRS, and then I had a MIDI cable, an ordinary DIN MIDI cable with five pins. So just make sure that those pins in the DIN cable are connected. It should have three wires with the DIN cable. Also like a tape ring and sleeve, so you can connect both cables. Okay, first off you need to cut the wires. So I'm an amateur, so do DIY. So just take some scissors. If you have a splicer, that's good for you, but me, I don't have those kinds of equipment, so I'm just doing it manually. So cut the leads, open them up, separate the three cables. You should have three cables each side, a ground, a sleeve, and a ring. Okay. So the Mvave chocolate is a type A, and I think the Tonex is type B. So it should be in reverse connection. However, in the video, the colors of the wires are actually the same. So it would be red to red, okay, and black to white, and sleeve to sleeve. We'll just take a look at that later on. Right now, we should just make sure which colors of the wires are the tip and the ring and the sleeve. Okay, so the red is the tip and the ring is white. White is ring. Okay, so let's now check the MIDI DIN cable. So imagine a smiley face, the smile, okay. So in this case, the black wire is on the left side of the DIN cable. So the black wire is on the left, and then let's test out the red cable. It should be on the right side of the smile. The next step would be just a put a shrink wrap ahead of time, so you this will be very useful later on. Ahead of time, you should just solder the leads of both sides. So the pros do this, so you should do it too. If you don't have a clamp, make a makeshift something to hold the arm, the wire with the arm. So just solder the leads. Okay, so final step would be to connect both wires now. So first I aligned them that they would be comfortably connected to each other. So in this case, it is red to red and white to black, and then shielding to shielding again. So it is red to red and white to black, because in Mvave chocolate the tip or the red one is on the left side, while the Tonex has the tip on the right side. Right side, if you imagine the Mididin smile. Okay, so now I've connected the red to red, and then later on white to black. So the next step would be to insulate the wires. I'm using this liquid electrical tape. If you don't have, just use a regular electrical tape. This thing is an isolation, like a sticky substance, and then it hardens. So I suggest you should buy this also. It's available in most electrical shops. I use this to isolate the three wires, like a gooey substance that will insulate them from each other once it hardens. Tip is on the right side of the smile. Ring should be on the right side of the smile. I live dangerously, so I'm using a lighter to hit the shrink wrap. It's time for testing now. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you find this useful for your usage, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. And we're gonna test out the cable to control Tonex with the Mvave chocolate. By the way, you should set the Mvave chocolate first before you do this. Program A, and then where I think it is MSB programming, and then you should also set the expression pedal out as the MIDI via TRS.